Today I will share with you how to turn this Macaw word in a stylish poster design like this in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing this image of the macaw bird. As you can see, it is written scarlet macaw flying through water. This is a pro content, but if you have any third party images, you can easily use that, or if you have a Canva Pro account, you can use this image also. So let's start with it. So I will choose this image and I will make it bigger. Okay, like this. And after that, I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write Macaw. And after that, I will just make it bigger, and here change the font as Anton, and after that make the font size as 230, and let's adjust it here. And I want to keep the face and eye of the macaw bird in the A part, so I will just decrease the transparency to check if it is coming in the A part or not. So it is working. Okay, and after that just increase the transparency and go to FX, outline, and here choose 25, and here make it as white. Okay, and after that just copy the image part and press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and add page and Ctrl plus V to paste it here. And in the first page I will click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, and after that I will click on edit, scroll down to find filters, click on see all, and scroll all the way down to find duotone, click on custom and select the highlights and shadows both to black color. And now we need to download both the pages here, and for that we need to click on share, click on download. Now one person asked me how I just drag and drop here, but when they download both the pages, they have to just extract the images from the zip file, and there is a long process. So you can follow this process of mine. So when downloading, make sure it is in PNG, and now click on current page and download them individually. Click on download for the first page, and now go to page 2 and follow the same process. And now click on add page, and now you can just drag and drop both the designs directly from the download icon of Google Chrome. Okay, now just separate both of them, and after that go to apps here, click on search, just write here blend, and click on blend image, and make sure the blend mode is in screen. And for the bottom layer select this text layer, and for the top layer use this image, and here you get the image, and click on add page and click on add to design. Now we don't need to change the background for this image, but if you want to do that, you need to click on BG remover one time so that you get the desired image for here. Okay, and for the final editing I will click on edit, click on adjust, and scroll down to find the saturation part and just increase the saturation a bit. Okay, and just slightly increase the highlights and the contrast. And our image is ready, and you can also follow the same following this tutorial. And if you want to learn how to make 3D animation in Canva, you can just check this video out here, and I will be meeting you in the next tutorial in a short period of time. And till then, if you like our tutorials and if you want to watch them for free, please subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.